Carrots turn you into a night owl. Microwaves zap away all the goodness, and organic labels guarantee a health halo. Or so we've been told.
Welcome back, food detectives. Today we're slicing through the fiction to serve you the facts on 5 food myths that have fooled us for far too long. Let's get cooking. Ever been told eating carrots will give you superhero night vision?
Munching on these to spot my enemies better at night.
This myth sprouted during World War II thanks to British propaganda to mask their use of radar technologies. The truth? While carrots rich in vitamin A are great for overall eye health, they won't give you 20/20 night vision. Sorry, night owls! Next up, the microwave. Kitchen tech or nutrient thief. Science heats up this myth for us. Microwaving food actually preserves nutrients better than some conventional cooking methods due to shorter cooking times. It's not a villain in your kitchen saga, but a hero. Organic equals healthier. Fact or wishful shopping?
Organic farming avoids synthetic pesticides, but healthier. Not necessarily. It's about how the food contributes to your diet overall, not just its label.
So might want to check what's in that cart, not just on it. Fearing fat, you might be surprised. While it's true that fats are calorie-dense, not all fats are foes. Healthy fats, like those in avocados and nuts, are actually essential for your body. Balance is key. Should you really starve a fever? This old saying isn't just outdated, it's unhelpful. Both fevers and colds need nutrition and hydration. Listen to your body, not old wives' tales. There you have it, 5 food myths, well done and debunked. Remember, the best diet is informed by facts, not fiction. Keep questioning, keep learning, and as always, keep enjoying your food.